going on YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. And in today's adventure, we're taking some advice from Hella Stoked Garage and a few of the other guys from Indian who always say, make a video. So today, we're making a video. We're in the garage and we're gonna change some stuff out on the bobber. Now, unfortunately, it's not the Corbin seat. Right now, we're still stuck with the stock seat. Corbin seat's in transit. We'll get to that later. All right. What we're going to be doing is switching out these Indian Scout Bobber driver pegs. Now, you can see, we'll get up in here. I have already done the shifter pegs on both sides. Now, this is what really needs changed out. Let's see if I can get some light in there for you guys. You can see the shifter pegs there, and you can see the stock foot peg is real rough here on top. I'll get a close-up next to that. All right, so let's go and unbox these. Very fancy, very nice box. Indian does not disappoint when it comes to this. Now, I already have the instructions out. I've gone over my information. It's very important to do. They have a very nice shrink wrap on these, but I already took them off. So you can see these guys right here. Very well done. It's gonna match these very nicely. So let's start working on something. Okay. So we have all the tools, we have all the accessories. They come with a little washer, and we have to use the one that comes on here, the little spring clamp. So the only tool we're actually going to need is a flathead screwdriver. Now right here on the back, you can see down here, some light, we're going to take and we're going to pull this off. I've already done this. It took me a couple minutes. You can see that spring right there. Now we're going to go ahead and knock this pin out. Comes out very smooth, even the first time. Set our stuff so we can easily find it again. Now I'll give you guys a close-up of these. Now, standard foot peg for the Indian Scout. I believe it's the same on the bobber. I have not taken a close look at these foot pegs. I mean, can you blame me? They're foot pegs. Now I know this grinds a lot, not as much as Brandon hits his, but mine's gotten pretty rough, especially across his top. I believe it's my boot, but we're going to be switching it out with this. The difference is staggering, to say the least. I'm waiting for them to put out an Indian Scout Dark Horse or Dark Horse Bobber. Bearded Sailor was telling me he's got one, but it's not like what they do now with the Dark Horses, and I think that'd be a huge step up. So we're going to get this guy in place. There we go. Get that pin through. We're going to double check these instructions before I put that final pin on. That washer is going to go on this side that comes with it. Should open those first. Cut to when they're already open. I said cut to when they're open. Got these open, and this is the reason we double check everything. These bad boys are going to go on the inside of this groove, according to what the instructions show, which is not much. All right, let's get in closer here for a second, guys. Now, this little washer piece adds pressure, so this doesn't move as crazy fluid as the other one did before. So this is for the other side, of course. And we're going to go ahead and get this other spring popped on there. All right, let's get you guys close up here. More light. Looking pretty good to me. Back in there solid. Let's knock out the other side. All right, now we're going to start with the other side. You can see, same thing. This one, not as worn down, but what I was saying about how fast it goes, springs up real easy. All right. These little guys can be a pain in the ass. This one's in much better shape. Much better shape. You can see now it's nice. You gotta wear that in a little bit, but it's nice. It's a little bit stiffer, which I like. If it gets popped up, sometimes really easy. The only hard part is I see pushing that back down. So I'll have to give it a review later about how well that works and how well that gets worn in. Sorry guys, I got music in my ear because, well, I'm not gonna get mad at myself for playing music on like YouTube. There we go. There you go, guys. We are all done. Got these bad boys on. I love the way they look. They look fantastic. I got to sit on one recently at one of the shows. The grip's nice. I mean, the finish is perfect. They do carry them for the back from what I've seen. So probably going to do those next. I wasn't 100% sure, to be completely honest, but I mean, oh yeah. That is pretty. All right, you guys. So, just because I'm out here in the garage and I feel inspired by Hello Stoked Garage and saying, get out there and work on something. I really like his saying, I'm not going to take it as my closer. Don't worry, man. So like always, you guys, stay safe and stay classy.